The semiconductor wars are raging, a brutal battlefield where AI's insatiable hunger for chips has ignited a global shortage, sending prices skyrocketing and fortunes flipping overnight. As February 2026 market tremors shake out the weak hands, with tech giants stumbling under supply chain chaos and tariff threats, a trio of under-the-radar powerhouses emerges from smoke, armed with cutting-edge innovations and record-shattering earnings that scream unbreakable momentum. Imagine harnessing the explosive demand for high-bandwidth memory and advanced packaging that's fueling the AI revolution, turning volatility into victory with stocks poised to surge as the chip famine intensifies. The urgency is electric. Miss this window, and you'll watch from the sidelines as the next bull run leaves you in the dust. But hold on, what are these three must-buy chip stocks ready to dominate 2026 and beyond? In the heart of the AI-driven semiconductor boom, three standout stocks are commanding attention as prime buys right now. With memory chip shortages pushing prices higher and demand from data centers and AI applications showing no signs of slowing, these companies are leveraging their expertise in advanced packaging, memory IP, and chip manufacturing to deliver record results. As of early March 2026, the sector's momentum is building, with analysts forecasting continued growth amid economic resilience and tech rotation, making this a high optimism moment to position for upside. Amkor Technology, AMKR. Amkor Technology stands as a global leader in outsourced semiconductor packaging and test services, quietly powering the AI revolution from behind the scenes. While chip designers like Nvidia grab headlines, Amkor handles the crucial packaging step, turning raw silicon into high-performance, reliable modules through advanced techniques like high-density fan-out, HDFO, flip chip, and system-in-package solutions. This expertise is indispensable for AI accelerators and high-bandwidth memory HBM integration, where dense interconnects and thermal management are make or break for performance. Amkor's strategic pivot is aggressive. The company is pouring $2.5 to $3 billion in capex for 2026, nearly triple prior levels, into expanding advanced packaging capacity in the US, Korea, Taiwan, and Vietnam. This includes ramping HDFO programs for AI data centers and building out facilities to support over 20% growth in its computing segment. Partnerships with major players like Nvidia underscore its role in enabling CoWoS-like technologies for next-gen GPUs. Operationally, Amkor maintains a diverse geographic footprint and strong customer ties, positioning it to capture the shift toward U.S.-centric supply chains amid geopolitical tensions. Recent recognitions, like Kiox's Best Partner Award in January 2026 and Environmental Leadership from CDP, highlight execution strength. The upcoming March 3, 2026 presentation at the Morgan Stanley Technology, Media, and Telecom Conference offers fresh insights into this momentum. Amid some valuation trimming by funds due to recent gains, Amkor's cash flow generation and AI tailwinds make it a resilient, high-conviction play in the packaging boom. Rambus, RMBS. Rambus has evolved from a patent-focused player into a key enabler of high-speed memory interfaces, delivering essential IP and chips that make data move faster and safer in AI systems. Its portfolio, spanning DDR5 register clock drivers, RCDs, HBM controllers, GDDR7 solutions, and PCIe interfaces, is tailor-made for the demands of data centers, AI inference, and high-performance computing. Rambus boasts industry-first innovations like its HBM4 controller IP, designed to accelerate next-generation AI workloads with massive bandwidth and low latency, alongside GDDR7 tech that supercharges edge AI inference through PAM3 signaling for higher speeds and efficiency. DDR5 adoption continues to strengthen, with Rambus holding mid-40% market share in RCDs, up from early 40s in 2024, and design wins in HBM4, GDDR7, and security IP fueling record product revenue growth. The company's transformation into an AI memory supplier is evident in its record Q4 and full-year results, driven by these high-value interfaces. Leadership updates include Victor Peng, former AMD exec, joining the board in February 2026 for added expertise, though CFO Desmond Lynch's resignation, effective February 27th, introduced short-term noise. Management reaffirmed Q1 2026 guidance amid supply constraints. Upcoming events like the March 2nd, 2026 Morgan Stanley Conference provide a platform to address sentiment and showcase the roadmap. Rambus's near-zero debt, strong cash position, and focus on telemetry, RAS, and error correction for AI uptime position it as a plumbing essential in the ecosystem. Critical yet underappreciated, with potential for re-rating as AI deployment scale. Samsung Electronics. Samsung Electronics remains the undisputed giant in the semiconductor space, blending world-class memory leadership with foundry and consumer tech prowess to dominate the AI memory race. Its Device Solutions DS division is the star, where high-bandwidth memory, HBM, has become the hottest commodity for AI accelerators. Samsung achieved a major milestone by starting mass production and commercial shipments of HBM for the industry's sixth-generation high-bandwidth solution, claiming top-tier performance and power efficiency benchmarks, e.g., speeds up to 13 gigabits per second. This positions Samsung to challenge rivals like SK Hynix and Micron, with expectations for HBM sales to more than triple in 2026. The company is accelerating production ramps, including advancing cleanroom construction at Pyeongtaek's P5 line, completion targeted for Q3 2026, and adopting 1C-DRAM tech in HBM4 cores, with yield improvements underway. Beyond HBM, Samsung is pushing innovations like custom HBM with compute-in-base die architecture for up to 2.8x power efficiency gains and ZHBM stacking for bandwidth leaps. Partnerships deepen its edge. Collaborations on fully homomorphic encryption FHE, accelerators for privacy-preserving AI, ties with applied materials for advanced nodes, and Semi-5 for chip design. Broader strategy includes proactive capacity expansion amid tight supply, with CEO warnings of inevitable price hikes across electronics due to the memory crunch. This isn't just about chips. Samsung's integrated ecosystem, memory plus foundry plus packaging, creates synergies for AI-driven products, fueling optimism despite competitive pressures. With shares hitting records on HBM pricing leverage reports, Samsung offers massive scale and direct exposure to the AI memory supercycle. These three stocks, Amkor's packaging dominance, Rambus's interface innovation, and Samsung's memory leadership, capture the essence of the semiconductor transformation fueling AI's next phase. As shortages persist and demand accelerates into 2026, their strategic advancements and ecosystem roles position them for sustained upside. With fresh momentum from Q4 results and upcoming conferences, the case for buying now is compelling. Don't wait for the rally to fully ignite.